Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I bought a pillowcase from Walmart that's burlap, and I got it in the craft section, and it says it's dyeable, and it's 100% cotton. So I want to make like a burlap sack with this and put a saying on it like I've picked my own pumpkins. So I have Design Space loaded here on my canvas, and I'm just going to go right here where I have my own little saying. I found it in fall. But just in case you don't know, I'll go ahead and show you what you would do. You go to the circle with the plus, click on that. And I already was working on it. That's why it says replace. Then we're going to go to projects. And then I'm going to go up here to my projects, top corner, and here it is. And it's pick your own pumpkins, okay? And if you wanted to customize it, you would just hit customize down here, right bottom corner. And that's what I want to do because I want to change the size. So let me zoom in for you. You go up here to the top, out from size, where there's a little lock. Click on that, and I want mine to be 8.5 wide by 8.5 tall, okay? And that's the size that I've decided I want. If you look over in the right side of the layers panel, you'll see that this is a cut, which is what we want. This is so easy to do. So you just go right top corner, make it, click on that. It will sort it on our mat. Now what you want to do with this is, because this is heat transfer that we are going to be using, and it's Arteza. I decided to use the Arteza. It drives me crazy because I have to cut it on cardstock, but I do like the colors, and you get 22 sheets, and it is affordable, okay? But it can be a pain if you're doing delicate items, all right? So what you want to do is right here where it says mirror, turn the mirror on, and you will see it will flip this because we are going to transfer this using heat transfer, and you want it to come out correct, okay? So we're just going to hit continue, right bottom corner, and my machine is connecting to my computer, and you will see I have it set on cardstock, because with this Arteza, sometimes I have to cut it cardstock, sometimes light cardstock, and sometimes the notch before light cardstock. But I think this is going to be a wide enough, bold enough font that cardstock will work nicely, okay? So the next time you see me, we will be cutting this out. Okay, like I said, I have the Arteza vinyl. You don't have to use the Arteza. It's totally up to you. I was torn between this and this color. I'm really not sure. I think I may try this lighter color. And you have to turn this upside down when you're cutting it, okay, and put it on your mat. I'm just using my light grit mat. And I hope I have enough of this light. I've already cut something up here, so we'll see. And I just changed my mind and didn't use it. Now you're going to load it in using the arrows, and then just hit the C to cut it, and it will start cutting this for us. But I think this is going to be so cute, especially if you like what I have planned. Well, I'll show you when I get through, but this is so adorable, and I'm going to embellish this a little bit further. I'm going to take some Dollar Tree rope, nautical rope, and put it around the top, and I think this is going to be so cute. So I'll come back once this gets cut. Oh, and this is one pair of my glasses. I'm still having some problems with my eyes, so I try to rest them as much as I can. No makeup, no contacts, but these are one pair. I really do like them. They're kind of sassy looking, so I think they're cute. So as soon as this cuts this out, I'll be right back. Okay, unfortunately, I didn't have enough of that really pretty light, so I'm going to use this. So we are going to, and it cut it out perfect. It's just, it overlapped what I had already cut. I kind of thought that it would. So I'm going to cut this out and then I'll be back. Okay, it's finished, so I'm going to eject it. And then to weed this, all you do, I always follow the instructions for Arteza. It says to weed away any excess material that is not part of your design. Okay, so that's really simple. We're just going to get a hold of it up here. And just pull it. Gently. Because like I said, this Arteza is a little fickle, but they have such beautiful colors. Now, one of you suggested that I try a different type of vinyl, and I'm going to try that because it sounds really nice. And I could have saved some of this and cut more of it. And I normally do, but I just didn't this time. And then it just leaves behind it this clear piece that comes with your Arteza. And then we will continue to weed this. But I think this is going to be really pretty. I wish that I'd had enough. I could see this in a beautiful chocolate or that pretty light. Make it kind of look faded and old. But like I said, I didn't have any more of that color. So as soon as I get this finished weeding, but this is what we're getting, you can see sometimes it really weeds nicely and easily. I'll be right back and I'll meet you in the kitchen. Okay, I'm going to turn on my Easy Press, and Arteza says to heat it from 3 to 320. So I'm going to split the difference and do 315. So I'm going to set the temperature, and I have to decrease it to 315. And then I'm going to set for 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm going to have to take this way down. I have to take it to 15 seconds. All right, and then when that gets hot, then all I'm going to do, it says, which you're supposed to do all the time, is I'm going to hold this on here for like, it says make sure the fabric you're using is wrinkle free and ready for application. So I'm just going to go ahead and do what I normally always do. And it says to use a Teflon sheet over top of yours. So I have one, I just got it from Cricut. And this is what I did. I just put the rope from Dollar Tree around the top. That's why I really wish that I could have used that brownish, but this will be fine. But I would highly suggest, if you have like that light brown in the Arteza or like a chocolate brown, it would be gorgeous. But this will turn out very nice. Okay, we're just waiting for this to heat. And I'm just trying, I have it on my Easy Press mat on a cutting board. I always use my Easy Press mat, and then I have this on an Easy Press mat and a cutting board just to be safe. I have used it just on the Easy Press mat and it hasn't bothered anything, but I just don't want to ruin anything at all. And I have my Magnolia Housewife shirt on. They're still for sale. I'll put the link in the description box if you want to order them. It's completely up to you. They're $19.99, they're unisex, and they come in a wide variety of colors. I have the white, and then I have this really pretty blue, and I love it. Okay, so this is beep, so I'm just going to put this on here and just hit my little C and just basically try to get out a lot of wrinkles and any moisture and just prepare this area for 15 seconds because it is very heavy burlap and it was pretty wrinkled. Okay, so that has beat. So now what I'm going to do, here is this. I think it is so pretty how that turned out. Okay, now I'm just going to figure out where I want this because I know it's going to be a little, it's got to stand up and it's probably going to fold over. So I think I'll put it about right here. And you can measure it if you want. I typically eyeball it. Then I'm going to put this over top and we are just going to place this, and I hope I get it over all of it. And we're going to press the C and we're going to leave it on here for 15 seconds. And then I'm going to flip it over and iron it from the back. But you don't want to move it, you just want to hold pressure, okay? And I might give it just a few seconds, okay? And then we're gonna lift it. Okay, I think it all adhered. I think I got it on all of it. Yes, I did. Okay, then it says to allow to fully cool before you pull this off. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let it fully cool and then I'll be back. Okay, I think it's cool enough. I peeked. So let's pull back, pull this back. Now the only problem with setting this on cardstock is that sometimes it cuts through too much. But like I said, there's ways to work around this. You just have to be careful. And go ahead and peel it off. I'm going to take my time. When I get this off, I'll be right back. Okay, I would advise you, it says to take it off while it's still, well, it's cool. I prefer to take it off while it's warm, not cool, because it tries to come up, at least with me. But I think it turned out really nicely. And I would hold it on there a little bit longer than the 30 seconds. Now I'm just going to flip it over just to make sure that everything's on there nice, and just hit it for probably, I don't know, 5 seconds. And then just pick it up. And this is what we have. I think that is so cute. Hey guys, here's how it turned out. You could also take and just tie a burlap around the top and stuff it, but I have it stuffed with bags and just have a Dollar Tree pumpkin that I painted and a gourd from Walmart. But I think they're really cute. The possibilities are endless with this. I cannot wait to do something for Christmas. But I'll put the link in the description box below to order the Arteza if you want. Like I said, you definitely don't have to use it, but they do have a lot of really nice colors. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.